If you want to add extra income, or boost your creative mojo, or help people refresh their homes with beautiful DIY home decor, or maybe you're saying yes please to all three, then April is your time to become a designer with the fastest growing, most flexible brand in the business. It's Chalk Couture, of course. We know times are extraordinary right now, and that's why we have an extraordinary offer just for you to help you win with Chalk Couture when you sign up as a designer in April. You can even earn your starter kit for free and get up to $175 US retail value in total bonus products. It's called our Triple Treat for new designers, and it includes 3 amazing bonuses. Number 1, on-trend bonus products included for free in our refreshed starter kit. Number 2, our kit Earnback offer, so your starter kit can be free. Number 3, a booster pack of favorite products free when you attend our party of the year, ChalkCon. Now, did you hear a theme here? Free, free, free! Every single one of these treats will help you start business fueled up and fun, and with the financial kickstart that everybody is looking for right now. Let's look closer. First, let's take a peek at this April starter kit with those free bonus items. You're going to get 7 fabulous mesh silk screen transfer designs, including 4 brand new designs just releasing in April. 5 of our happiest paste colors in our 3-ounce jars for lots and lots of projects. And 3 surfaces, including our Aiden gallery frame with a porcelain-coated steel magnetic panel, our best-selling board and base double-sided, and everyone's favorite demo surface, Chalkable chips. All are our signature reusable surfaces, and they take paste like a dream. You'll also get tools and business supplies, plus all the training and support you need to be successful with social selling. And this month, you're going to get 2 of our hottest items free, a pack of mini tags and our Homespun tags transfer. It's amazing! Everything you see here is just $99 US or $129 Canadian. Contains more than $270 US and $370 Canadian retail value. Now, while the kit is a crazy good value, when you join in April and complete just phase 1 of our Fast Start program, Designer Début, you can earn back the $99 US or $129 Canadian you invested in your kit. Talk to your independent designer about Designer Début, and they'll help you achieve this goal by May 31st. It includes some pretty great rewards already, but this month it also means you'll earn back the cost of the kit too, less tax and shipping. Now, third and most fun of all, experience everything that Chalk Couture has to offer by attending the Chalk Party of the Year, ChalkCon 2020. It's a 2-day event held in July, including education, inspiration, celebration, and so many prizes and products to help you create even more momentum. Join this month, and when you come to ChalkCon in July, we're going to have a product booster pack just waiting for you. And yep, it has more than $150 in US original retail value. Woo! This really is a triple treat. When you maximize all 3 of these offers, you're going to earn well over $500 US retail value in product that you can use to resell, create finished goods, hold virtual workshops, and more. We're doing all we can to give you options, and that is just what everybody needs right now. So invest in you. Take charge of your creativity and your financial freedom at the same time. Ask your independent designer about joining Chalk Couture and the Triple Treat offer, or learn more today by visiting chalkcouture.com.